What happens when you reached your limit, but the pressure is still on? There are so many people in manufacturing environments that work on under daily pressure. And unfortunately, sometimes it feels that they cannot manage it any longer. Adrian, what are your thoughts on this topic?
That is a great topic, Karin, and I have to make an analogy here. For example, any crane has a maximum load capacity, and if you attempt to go and to push beyond that, well, bad things will happen. Or a forklift has a lifting capacity, and aiming to lift more than that can cause the forklift to tip over, and that's obviously not what we want to do. We want none of this to happen. Now, the companies played by the rule and they want to avoid accidents at all costs, and that is fantastic. However, they don't seem to do the same when it comes to the workforce. Everyone has a maximum load capacity. Quite often, the employees are expected to come in early, work long hours, Saturdays, Sundays. Expecting someone to go beyond their maximum load is not sustainable. And there is a high risk that the employees will eventually hit a breaking point. Now, Karin, what can managers do to avoid that?
Well, it's easy to miss warning signs when you are very focused on numbers. So the people may still have the expected output, but you don't see what you don't focus when you don't focus on certain things. So I would encourage any manager who listens to this to just be aware. Look at people's faces, look how they interact. When we are stressed, we become very different people. It's easy to be nice to the people around us when things go smooth, but when the pressure is on, then sometimes we lose it. We start snapping at the person next to us, and this creates a negative ripple effect. So I think everybody who works in this important industry deserves to be treated with respect, and everybody has a right for a personal life.
In other words, to summarize this, burnout is not an employee failure. It's actually a system design problem. And the companies who address it properly will see a significant improvement in production, in performance, in retention, and so on. And those are the companies who will thrive. Now, this was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.